Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your iPhone is updated and you have an account with your chosen VPN provider. Open the App Store, install the provider app, and sign in. If you already have credentials, skip creating an account. Once done, grant the app permission to add VPN configurations when prompted. Make sure to allow notifications for connection alerts. You're now ready to move into configuring connection preferences and verifying the profile is present in settings. Next, you choose the protocol and server that match your needs. Use WireGuard or IKEv2 for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility. In the app, pick a nearby server for better latency or a specific country if accessing region-restricted content. Enable Kill Switch or Always-On VPN to prevent leaks when the connection drops. Enable DNS leak protection to ensure DNS requests use the VPN. Make sure Auto Connect on untrusted Wi-Fi is set if you want seamless protection. Finally, activate the VPN from the app or control center and confirm the VPN icon appears in the status bar. Test by checking your IP address and accessing a site or streaming service that was previously geo-locked. If pages load slowly, switch servers or change protocol. If the VPN fails to connect, first toggle airplane mode or restart your phone, then reinstall the app or try a different protocol. One key troubleshooting tip: switch to a nearby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.